solve one question about formatted and unformatted input output in C. So what is formatted and unformatted input output? That is how data is handled during input and output operations. Formatted input or output uses functions that allow precise control over how data is input or output with the ability to specify formatting options. Printf, for example, outputs formatted data to the standard output. The value of x is %x, and scanf reads formatted input from the standard input. Scanf %d and x, fprintf and fscanf perform formatted input and output operations on files. Features are they require format specifiers like %d, %f, %x, %s, etc. Suitable for precise and user-friendly input/output. Unformatted input or output in C, on the other hand, directly handle raw data without processing or formatting. Example, put char A outputs a single character to the standard output. Get char reads a single character from the standard input. Char C equals get char. So get char is an unformatted way of getting input or output. Puts outputs a string followed by a new line to the standard output. Puts hello world. Gets duplicated, use fgets. Gets is a bit old, so we use fgets. Use a string until the new line or there's an in the file. Fread and fwrite handle raw binary data file operations. Features are there are no formatting options, faster for raw data operations. So these are for raw data, and but they are not very user friendly, but they're very fast. For example, preprocessor directives are commands executed by the preprocessor before the compilation of a program. They can be used to include libraries or manage conditional compilation. As includes standard or user-defined libraries. It has include stdio.h. As defines macros or constants. And hashtag ifdef, fndef, hashtag ndef, conditional operation. As defined debug has ftf debug, printf debug enabled has ndef conditional compilation. I don't understand this. Hashtag undef undefines a macro. Hashtag pragma provides compiler specific instructions. So using preprocessor directive input-output operations can help organize or conditionally compile input out and output code. As include str.h hashtag this is macro definition is defined debug mode 1. It main index hashtag if def debug mode printf enter value for x as end of scanf %d and x if def debug mode printf debug mode entered. Okay, explanation because I didn't understand one bit of this. What is this? Not this, not this, not this, not this, and not this. And if okay, attack if def debug mode prints debugging messages only if debug mode is defined. Prints debugging messages only if debug mode is defined. Preprocessor if this debug mode is defined. Okay, I get it. We have defined debug mode so that prints it. Before sensor directors are toggle between debug and release modes without changing the code. Unformatted versus unformatted input output is customization. Formatted input output allows precise control using formatted specifiers, while unformatted input output offers raw data without any formatting. Performance for formatted is slightly slower due to formatting overhead, while unformatted is faster since there is no formatting. Functions are printf, scanf, fprintf, etc. were formatted. There's pushchar, getchar, fwrite, fwrite. By combining formatted slash unformatted input-output operations with preprocessor directives, we can build efficient, flexible programs. So guys, we have a program to get input of our name, address, age in years, in weight and height from keyboard and display the information using unformatted input as output. So we can't use printf because that's formatted. As include stdio that adds. Uh, we need this. Maybe, baby. But so we're gonna ask for name. Thus, enter your name, address, age, weight, and height. And we will scan that. Name is percent s. Percent s is address. Percent I is age. Percent f is weight. And percent height can also be floating. So we have to first declare it. Then int is float w comma height and character name comma address. And and address and age and weight and height. I hope this works. It might work, it might not, but let's see. Now, how do we display the that using unformatted string? We just read that. Let's try and use puts and what do we write? Puts n maybe? I don't know. Puts, what does this do? Do you have a guidebook? Puts address? Maybe, maybe not. And age, weight and height. How do you write? I think we do put w for integer. Put w is let's just try and run it right now. What happens? Put w is also for character. What's for integer? I don't know. Let's try and run it right now. Let's see if that works. My name is John Cena. Address is New York City. Address is not being typed for some reason, so there's a fault in the program, which I don't know. Okay. Do we not use and for this? Maybe. Let's try now. Name's John Cena. Lives in New York City. It's all getting stuck. This doesn't work either. So we're gonna have to ask someone called ChatGPT for help. Okay, Control C, help means a better help over here. And age, float, weight, height. Okay, allocate arrays to store strings. Okay, so we do need these, right? No what? Okay, def name. Use fgets instead of gets for safer input in modern versions. Puts name, puts address. But how do we do it? Can we not do this with unformatted? Guys, can not do it unformatted input output and this as well. Why are you doing with isn't this formatted? That's not fair. You want to declare data on parent. You should avoid using functions like scanf and printf. Instead, you can use unformatted functions such as gets, puts, getChar, or putChar to handle numbers like age, weight, and height. You can read them as strings using gets or similar functions. Convert them to numbers using functions like e to y for integers or e to f for floats. That's how we do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. What? Isn't there something like this for integers? I think you was. What happened? Let's wait as a string. Age equals e to y is convert age to int float float. Isn't there something like gets for integers? Citizen input function for integers equivalent to get for strings. How we can do this? Okay, for strings, terminating get for integers. Oh my god, okay. I don't get a native get for integers. C correspond input functions like scanf to directly read numbers are unformatted. Input functions like get the withdraw strings because strings are universal input and data can be represented as string. Okay. Fine, let's do our code. Printf enter age, weight, and height. And we don't need these. Tickets n and enter. Okay, so your address gets not is add. Okay, now how did ChatGPT do that? Stuff we can see over here. What's name? Address. Okay, now printf displaying information. Printf stuff is equals %d is printf weight equals %f weight printf height equals %f h. And we can add /n because why not? It will make it a bit cleaner. We don't need over here. Let's see if this works now. Enter. I will give it enter your name. My name is John Cena. Enter your address is New York City. My age is 54. My weight is 75 kilograms. No, let's say 80 kilograms. and my height is 6 foot. Exploring information. John, New York City. Wait a minute. But that's it. And can we write something like slash n over here? And finally, John Cena is my name. My address is New York City, and my age is now 55. My weight is 80 kilograms, and my height is 6 foot. That's it. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Love you.